7 Central, only on the Weather Channel.
Currently in our area, 86 degrees under cloudy skies. This afternoon, scattered thunderstorms, gusty winds and small hail are possible. High 87. Chance of rain 50%. Tonight, some clouds. A stray shower or thunderstorm is possible. Low 71. Thursday, partly cloudy. A stray shower or thunderstorm is possible. High 89. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Welcome back in, everyone. You're watching Weather Underground. This is a live look at New York City over the harbor. You're taking a look at Lower Manhattan, where the sky is so obscured by smoke you can barely see it. Current visibility in New York is 3/4 of a mile, all because of the wildfires in Canada blowing smoke south. This is what it would normally look like. This is what it looked like a week ago.
Right, and if there wasn't the smoke, we would generally have sunny skies across the region today. Temperatures also held